following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has stated that an asteroid named XY/18 is set to fly over Earth within the next week. This asteroid is capable of producing an extinction-level event. Do not panic. I repeat, do not panic. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has stated that there is a 40% chance that the asteroid hits Earth. However, NASA is developing a contingency plan in case the asteroid is headed directly to Earth. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. Interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. Stand by. A representative of the President will speak on the emergency alert system shortly. Stand by. Stand by. Stand.
The following message has been given authorization by me, the United States government, the President of the United States, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has made a dark and unfortunate discovery. At approximately 11:20 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has detected that the asteroid, named XY/18, is on a direct collision towards Earth. This asteroid is about 10 miles wide and is capable of producing an extinction-level event. This asteroid will collide with Earth somewhere in the Atlantic Ocean within the next 3 hours. All residents of the United States are advised to carry out the following instructions. Gather your friends, pets and family, and brace for the end of the world. This event is impossible to survive. You may go into panic mode if you want. We will sign off for the final time with our national anthem playing. As a representative of the United States, goodbye. We thank you for your cooperation, but this is the end.